Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to make a quick video. No need to panic, but I just noticed something that's been kind of funky in crypto lately, and we actually just for for kind of like some sort of like bad references. We actually just broke this trading channel right here on the downside for BTC, which is not necessarily the best thing in the world, but um, worse than that is we have actually crossed over. We have actually right now this month we have actually created a weaker. We've created a weaker right here. Let's see the MACD right there, right here. We have created a weaker bearish candle. But you guys know because this is a reversed MACD, it's actually indicating a really, really, really strong bearish candle. And for the stochastic, we actually just crossed over on the bearish side for the stochastic after creating those tops. But the real worry is here. Last time we did this, you guys see here. Last time, you guys see here. Monthly chart. What is this? This is on the MACD. A weaker bearish candle, which is again, we're using the reverse MACD. So this is a stronger bearish movement. And then guess what? Again, stochastic, red over blue, sell off, after creating tops. Average sell off was about 80%. We went down about 80%. The next time this happened, right here. Oops. The next time this happened, right here, right there, weaker bearish candle right there, which indicates again reverse MACD. So this indicates a strong bearish movement. What happened? We created tops. This is like that almost that previous all-time high right here. Tops all the way down to almost 4,000. So what happened? We sold off the first time 83%. Second time we sold off was about 70% in about 273 days. Second time 365 days. So there's a pattern here, right? There's definitely a pattern here. What happened? What literally just happened? Right? What literally just happened this month? Especially with this candle right now. Look at that. Whoops, let me take this off. A weaker monthly candle was just created on the MACD, reverse MACD. So what does that indicate? A stronger bearish movement. And what just happened also on the stochastic? We just crossed over on the bear side after creating tops on the stochastic. So if we do drop, I think we're going to be dropping between the next 270 and 365 days on crypto, like all around, I think for BTC. And we might go down to lows of previous highs, right? Which was at 17,000 level. So I do think we might actually go down to under 20,000. Is this probable? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. Is it highly likely that this will happen? To be honest, yeah, it seems very, very likely. Like the fact that it's done this, every single time in history in the past. There's no reason for me to think that it's not going to do this, and we haven't started the sell-off on crypto right now. The only reason I would think that, don't mind the 122 days. I just couldn't go past, I couldn't go past because then obviously you can't like see it. So I just had to like do it here. But yeah, man, I mean, if I had to guess, or I mean, right now there's too many. There's a lot of institutions already in it, right? There's obviously you have Tesla, you have Walmart thinking of buying like 1 billion Bitcoin. You have a bunch of other things happening right now in the Bitcoin like ecosystem where a lot of institutions and businesses and companies are actually buying in to cryptocurrency, right? But does that mean that we are that this is that's enough cushion for this to not happen? I don't know, man. It seems like we might sell off, and I wouldn't be worried unless if this was like an actual bullish candle, but it's not. Guess what? It's a very, very big bearish candle on the MACD. I mean on the actual like price chart. So I wouldn't be worried unless this was actually a bullish candle right here. But guess what? We went from highs of that 64 price and we just like went down to 51,000. So immediately that was like a $10,000 drop in a month, right? Volatility isn't. I'm not surprised that Bitcoin did this, but we really have to see what's going on with Bitcoin over the next couple of months because guess what? If we create another bearish candle next month, I strongly think that we might see, the peaks of $17,000 again within 270 to 365 days. I'll see you guys later.